To make the volcano, you need a carton board for the base, plastic bottle or plastic cup, uhu glue, and a Play-Doh. I make the Play-Doh with a brown color. You still remember how to make the Play-Doh, right? First, let's cut the plastic bottle. You can ask your mommy or daddy to help you to cut this plastic bottle. Now let's spread the glue to the plastic bottle and let's stick it on the cardboard. Next, let's cover all the plastic bottle with the Play-Doh until full. So I already covered all the plastic bottle with the Play-Doh, and it's done for the volcano. And let's color the carton board with the green paint. And after finish, leave it for 2 to 3 hours until the Play-Doh and paint dry. And the ingredients we need: baking soda, food coloring, it's a red color, vinegar, water, plastic cup, and small spoon. Now let's get the water and we will mix it with the red food coloring. And after finish, let's get the plastic cup and we will pour the vinegar to the plastic cup. And now let's start the experiment. First, pour the water with the food coloring until almost full. And get the baking soda, only 1 small spoon, and let's pour inside. And the last is vinegar. Let's pour it slowly. Wow, look! The lava is come out. Volcano eruption happen when magma rises to the surface of the earth, which causes bubbles of gas to appear in it. This gas can cause pressure to build up in the mountain, and it eventually explodes. When the magma bursts out of the earth, it is called lava. Now let's try it again one more time, and you can see it from the top of a volcano. So, boys and girls, you already know how to make the volcano eruption experiment. And you can try this experiment at home with your mom or with your dad. Well, we will see you again to the next activity, okay? Bye-bye!